What's up? My name is Godric. Today I'm gonna introduce you to my new fan remote control BB-8. So it comes with a head, his body, and his light up remote control. And it comes with an instruction paper, and it looks like that I have to open his body. So let's do it. So here's the on and off switch. You can see it right over here. And so let's turn them on. After that, let's turn on the remote control and let's start all the fun. Got it? There. And now I turned on the remote control. Now let's start all the fun. And you can see this button right over here. You know what this does? Aww. I was trained to do master stuff. No. So this is the remote control BB-8. I hope you enjoy this video and bye. Thank you. Oh my god, he can talk! Got me. I forgot to mention that it's magnetic, and that's how you attach the head to the body. And its light remote control doubles as a base. Thank you for watching.